In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a component in Figma. If you are building interfaces or design systems, components are the key to staying consistent and working faster. A component is a reusable asset made from layers you've already designed. Once you turn a selection into a component, you can create instances of it across your project. And any updates to the main component can flow to those instances. Start by opening your design. On the canvas, select the layers you want to include in the component. This can be a single button, a navigation item, or any collection of layers that belong together. Make sure you've only selected what you want inside the component, since everything in the selection will become part of it. There are several easy ways to create the component from your selection. If you prefer speed, use the keyboard shortcut press Option plus Command plus K on a Mac, or Control plus Alt plus K on Windows. If you like clicking, look to the center of the top toolbar and find the Create Component icon, which looks like 4 small diamonds, and click it. You can also right-click directly on your selection on the canvas and choose Create Component from the menu. Or with your selection active, glance to the right-hand design panel. Next to the selection's name, click the Create Component button. All 4 methods do the same thing, so use whichever fits your workflow. Once the component is created, you'll see immediate visual feedback. The selection's boundary turns purple, and in the Layers panel its icon also appears in purple. That color indicates you are looking at a main component. This is the source of truth for all its instances, meaning edits you make here can update the instances placed throughout your file, helping you maintain consistency with less manual work. If you have several distinct elements, like a set of icons or multiple buttons, and you want each one to become its own component at the same time, you can create multiple components at once. First, select all the desired frames or layers on the canvas. Then, in the top toolbar, click the small drop-down arrow next to the Create Component icon. From that menu, choose Create Multiple Components. Figma will convert each selected item into its own main component in one go, which is especially helpful when preparing asset libraries. That's it. Thanks for watching.